Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be reading a story today about vultures. It's kind of an interesting book. If you look at the front of the book here, the genre is nonfiction. But if you notice, it is a story, a nonfiction story that does not have photographs in it. We have pictures that have been illustrated. So we do have an illustrator. And I want you to think about our big question for the week: how do animals survive in nature? So we're going to be reading about a very unusual animal. That is a vulture, and how vultures get their food. So your main idea today would be thinking about vultures and how they are unusual and get their food. And then we're going to be thinking about some key details from the story that prove that vultures are interesting. So our title of our story is Vulture View. Now, I'm going to warn you before you read this story that there are going to be some really gross parts in this book. So I thought reading it today might make it a little bit more exciting. So be ready to be shocked. The sun is rising, up, up. It heats the air, up, up. Wings stretch wide to catch a ride on warming air, going where? So there's your vulture, it's flying. Up, up. Turkey vultures tilt, soar, scan to find the food that vultures can eat. So I want you to think about those vultures. They're called turkey vultures, and you might see them outside. Look at how they look. That snake over there? No, no. That fox over there? No, no. So we're finding some details that turkey vulture is not going to eat that snake right there that's alive and looking very scary, or that fox. That bear over there? No, no. Vultures smell the air. They sniff, search, seek for foods that... Now this word is going to rhyme with seek. The word is reek. What does reek mean? If you think of something that reeks, it's going to smell. Remember how I told you that this was going to be an interesting book? Well, this page has a picture of something dead that smells. And so vultures like animals that are not living anymore and that smell. So that is a key detail that comes from our main idea that vultures are very interesting animals. And a key detail might be that vultures like to eat food that's not alive, animals that aren't alive. So things they might find that smell. Those fragrant flowers? No, no. That spicy smoke? No, no. That stinky dead deer? Yes, yes. Vultures like a mess, they land and dine. Rotten is fine. So we're finding that things that are rotten and smelly, vultures really like. Those could be some key details telling how they are interesting animals. They eat, then clean, splash, dry, preen. And preen means that they are sitting there and they are cleaning their feathers. They hop, flap, soar to look for more all afternoon, but soon the sun starts to sink, down, down. The air starts to cool, down, down. Wings glide, wings ride through cooling air. Going where? Going down, down, down. The vultures gather in vulture trees, settle and sleep like families. That could be another key detail telling how vultures, from our main idea, are very interesting animals. The morning sun rises, up, up. It heats the air, up, up. Wings stretch wide to catch a ride on warming air. Going where? Up, up. So we know the vulture's up in the morning, ready to eat. The end. I hope you like that story, and if you look over here, you'll see that over here we have a main idea and a detail chart, and you can look and read some information about the author and the illustrator too.